Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today you're checking out the 2024 Coachmen Clipper 17 MBS, a compact camper that's easy to tow but still feels comfortable for quick trips. Inside, the tour starts in the bathroom with the shower, toilet, and sink, plus a mirror and cabinet space next to it for toiletries and towels. In the living area, you see cabinet space overhead. Then the kitchen, with a sink, stovetop, microwave with a cabinet beside it, and the fridge to keep food and drinks cold. Up front, the couch folds down for more sleeping space, and the table and bed also pull down for sleeping. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.